In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to React sticker on Telegram. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. Telegram does not currently allow full stickers to be used as standard tap to react reactions in the same way it allows emoji reactions. So if you're expecting to press on a message and attach a sticker directly as a built-in reaction, that option isn't available. However, there is still a simple and effective workaround that gives you a very similar result. What you can do instead is send a sticker as a reply to a specific message. This works especially well in chats, groups, and channels when you want your response to feel quick, visual, and expressive, almost like a sticker-based reaction. To do this, start by opening the official Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're using the app itself, since the layout and features can vary a little depending on the platform or version you're using. Once Telegram is open, go to the chat, group, or channel where the message is located. Find the exact message you want to react to with a sticker. This can be a friend's message, a post in a group, or content in a channel where replies are enabled. Now, tap and hold on that message. This long press action will open a menu with message options. From that menu, choose Reply. This is the important part because replying connects your sticker directly to that specific message, making it feel much more like a reaction than just sending a random sticker into the chat. After you tap Reply, open your sticker panel. Depending on your device, this may appear through the keyboard area or by tapping the sticker icon. Browse through your available stickers and choose the one that best matches the reaction you want to give. Then simply send it. Once it's sent, your sticker will appear as a reply attached to the original message. That's why this is the fastest and easiest way to create a sticker-style reaction in Telegram, even though it isn't a built-in reaction format. A quick tip here, try using clear, expressive stickers so your intent is easy to understand at a glance. Since this method works as a reply, it's especially useful when you want to react in a fun way without typing a full message. That's it. If Telegram ever adds full sticker reactions in the future, the process may change. But for now, this reply method is the best way to react with a sticker on Telegram.